Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your orders from Shopify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now, and to go ahead and export my orders, I'm going to go into the orders tab to the left. Now, as you can see, I don't have any actual orders since I don't have a paid plan and my store isn't live, but I have created a draft order, and your standard order page will look something like this as a list with all your orders. Now, what you're going to do once you're here is just click on export in the top right. You can export the current page, all orders, or you can export draft orders by date. And once you select which orders you want to export, you then need to export as, select either CSV for Excel or other spreadsheet programs, or you can go to plain CSV file for standard text editing. I'm going to go to CSV for Excel and then just click export draft orders. Now, as you can see, it's exported one of my draft orders and it does appear as a download in the top right of my browser. Now, for customers, this is a bit different. You will receive your list on your email, but as you can see here, you'll just receive a CSV file through your download, and that's pretty much all you need to do, and it is as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.